Hello, this is Alan again on another of my videos on the ECL built-ins playlist of the same name. ECL Enterprise Control Language originating from LexisNexis, and I thought this one I'd just do the second variant or the other variant of the table command. I've done a video on the vertical slice command, and this is the other a way of driving the table command. This really gives you stats on input data sets grouped by fields within that said data set. So in the example I've got here, I want stats on A, and I would want a distinct set of stats on B as well. I've decided this account number here is going to be by grouping condition. So you define a record layout with specifying the grouping condition or conditions, and then all the stats you want on them. There's count, sum, max, min, average, goodness knows what here. And what you have to do in this variant of a table command is apply further parameters. In this case, you supply a list of fields in that D, the data set that you want to group by, and get distinct stats for. So let's run this and see what happens. I would expect 2 rows out because we're grouping by count, and all we've got is A's and B's. Count all, count true, count false. You've got the sum, 22, the max. Let's look at the max, easy to check. The max of B is 9, the max of A is 7, max of A 7, max of B 9. So that looks all very straightforward. Now you don't have to, you're not restricted to a single field to group on. You can group by multiple fields. And here's one I had prepared earlier. So in this, I want conditions, I want stats on A true, A false, B true and B false. So there's going to be 4 rows output for those combinations, and the stats are going to now change as you'll see on the results of this submit. There we go, 4 rows output. These are the distinct groups that we've had. So let's, for example, sum of A is 6, sum of A true, sorry, is 6, A true, 1, 2 and 3. There we go. And really, that's about it. There's a subtle difference between workings of count and the other grouping stats you can get out. Counts you can do subconditions on directly. You can do them on sub fields as well, but not directly. I have had a video, I've done a video of this on my other playlist on ECL gotchas, and there I explain how you can extract finer granularity from or stats at a finer granularity than is strictly in the grouping conditions here. That's a counting condition there. I think that's about it for cross-tab table command. All the best.